comfort, right? Some southern comfort, some summer comfort, and you can now have it with these 2 indoor-outdoor pillows. Now, they do have the fringe all the way around them. They come in the 3 kind of theme choices. We've got the hummingbirds, which you're seeing there. You're seeing the ladybugs, and we also have the dragonflies for you. Any one of those choices, you're gonna get 2 of them home today for $8.80. And by the way, they're reversible. So one side, you've got that beautiful print. You also have, all of this is embroidered. I don't know if you could see that. All of that is embroidered. And then on the reverse side, you've got this wonderful kind of just luxe fabric look and feel. So whichever way you want to leave these out, you can do that. The pillows themselves are 18 by 18. They're a great size. And by the way, the covers, you can remove them and wash them. You get the pillow insert and the covers for that price. M70721 is your item number. Here you're seeing the dragonfly or the hummingbirds. So if you want the hummingbirds, definitely don't wait. Come on over here. I'll show you. I've got the dragonflies over here. By the way, do you love this bistro set? Because if you do, it's coming up in the show and you'll be shocked at how affordable it is, and it's all assembled. If you want the dragonflies, check them out. Look at how pretty they are. And you know what, these can go anyway, right? Like, so you can set them where the dragonfly is kind of flying down. You've got this one where the dragonfly is flying up. Just beautiful. And you've got your purples and kind of like your teal greens in there. And then come on over here. I don't think the ladybugs are gonna last at all. So you definitely want to pick them all up right away and pick up multiple sets, because if you've got like a serving set for 6 people, right, like around your house, like I've got a 6-table setup in the back, pick up 3 sets. Today you get them home for $8.80 on Easy Pay. M70721. And Tara, you know, for anybody that's wondering, right, like this fabric, I don't have to worry about this like fading or anything like that, right?
You're absolutely right. Yes, we worked with one of the leading manufacturers to bring you that really fade-resistant material that so many of us have loved. But for me, when I was designing the pillows, I wanted like everything you could possibly imagine, from the silk fringe that runs around the edges, the embroidery, just a sweet, simple touch that just makes this pillow stand out from anything else. I wanted it reversible. So if you wanted to use them together or separately, you can do that. That's really fun also. And I love what you were saying. Put them on the backs of your chairs. They don't just have to be for your furniture, but they add such a fun pop. We actually have been teasing this on all of our social, and everybody has been going bananas about the pillows. So as you mentioned, you can wash them, take them out. The covers, turn them inside out, put them in the wash, super easy. And as we mentioned, they have that fade-resistant material that all of you love.
So here are your choices one more time, okay, because they are going quickly. You're gonna get 2 of whichever choice you choose. This one is your dragonfly. So if you want 2 of the dragonflies, remember, M70721 is your item number. I have fewer than 300 of those to go around. Here are your ladybugs. Ladybugs, last call. I knew it. That's not gonna last at all. And then we have for you the hummingbirds. Oh, last call on the hummingbirds. There you go.
Matches the fountain.
They're going. They are going. Pick them up before they're all gone. By the way, look at how pretty it is with the bird bath too. All right, so listen, I want to let you know, we don't have time to present to you the gazing ball, but you're going to see it right now on the screen. This is lovely.